A. A for ant. B. B for bat. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E for eagle. F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. H. H for horse. I. I for ink. J. J for juice. K. K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for mango. N. N for nest. O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. T. T for tomato. U. U for unicorn. V. V for victory. W. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Now move to 1 to 10. Sky blue color 1. Brown color 2. Red color 3. Navy blue color 4. Yellow color 5. Dark pink color 6. Green color 7. Yellow color 8. Pink color 9. Navy blue color 10. Circle, triangle, square, heart. Now let's fill the color in the shapes. let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Circle, triangle, square and heart. Very good guys. Like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.